Hello guys, welcome to Tech once again. So today I want us to review what we call infrared forehead thermometer. Yeah, I've seen this machine is being misused, especially in this COVID-19 or what we call pandemic. Yeah, they are being misusing this machine, which means it puts you at risk if you misuse it. It will not give you accurate readings because of misusing it. So I want us to review it. You see how you should use this machine. So first of all, it clearly states that it's for forehead. So it's not good to use it to check from the hands or to check from any other body parts. It's only for the forehead. For the forehead, meaning you can use forehead or in the ear. That's when you can get accurate reading. So let's unbox this one, then we check how we can, specifically how we can use this machine. So these are instructions, or the what we call manual of infrared forehead thermometer. Yeah, but I'm going to guide you through how you can use this machine. Yeah. So this device, as you can see, this is the button for switching it on. So once you press it like this, automatically it will go on. And then it has these buttons. Yeah, 3 buttons here. Then this is the infrared. This is the screen. It has this screen. Yeah, the first screen, it has green screen, which shows that the temperatures are normal in this COVID-19 or human body temperature. And it has also orange, which shows that you have low fever. Then I will show you this color, how it looks like. Then it has also high red, which shows that you have high fever. Meaning with this machine, if you use it carefully, as I've said, on the forehead, you can detect either you have fever, or fever as one of symptoms of COVID-19. So once you have this machine and you use it carefully, it can help you to reduce on the spread of COVID-19. So okay, let's start with this is the green screen. It measures in if there is this object, if there is this head, it means that you are in a body temperature. But when you click on this first button here, you can change it to objects, meaning here you are measuring only the objects. As you can see, this is the objects. So you have to know that here you are measuring objects. So whenever you're going to measure someone's temperature, you have to make sure that it is in this, as you see, the forehead here. So once you use this one, it will not work. It will show you error, or meaning low temperature. So you have to measure. If you measure on the hand, as you can see, you cannot get the accurate. As you can see, you cannot. But if I measure on my forehead, it will show you above. If we round off, this is almost 37. Then if you measure in the ear, straight in the ear, it will show Let me check again on the forehead. As you can see, on the forehead it shows 36.8. That means this one, the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So meaning if you are measuring on the hand, the difference is too big. As you can see, if someone is having low fever, you will not detect it. Yeah, so it's better to respect this device as it is instructed by the physicians that it is supposed to be for the forehead. So let us respect that one. Then another thing, let me show you the screen, how the color is changing. I want to put it in the, to use the laptop so that we can get high temperature. Then we see the change. Here temperatures are low. Let me check. So that is this is the red screen, which shows that you have high fever. Yes, if you get a red screen, that means you have high fever. Uh, 41. I'm using laptop so that I can get 39. Also it shows that, also 38 red. I want to show you how this device works. So 37, as you see, it is normal. That is the normal body temperature. I want to show you. Okay, yes, this is yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow screen, which shows that sorry, it's orange, but it looks like yellow. But on the description, this is orange, which shows raw fever. So if you have this, if you detect someone with this one, it means that he has to go for a medical checkup. Yeah. So then this device, it turns it off after few seconds, like 15 seconds. If you are not using it, it will automatically go off. Yeah. Then another thing, you have to use a distance of 3 to from the object or from the body, 3 to 5 centimeters, so that it can gives you proper temperature. Then it reads also in Fahrenheit, so you can change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. Yeah. So, and again, it is very fast. It is very fast. You can check within 1 second. You can again check another person, so you don't need to worry about. That's why it's very nice. And when it gives red, the tone is, you have heard the tone, the sound, the alarm, it goes somehow high. Yeah, so that's the good thing also. If you are not focused and you hear that beep, you have to get serious. Yeah, and check. Then these buttons, when you switch it on, these buttons, they can help you to check the memories, the previous memory, like now memory 1, 2, 3, like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So this is the good thing about this machine. And the battery, it uses two small batteries down here. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, but make sure you, if you are using this device, make sure you read the guidance menu properly. You don't use it on the hand, it's specifically for the forehead. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Another thing before I forget, this one, this infrared, it doesn't work properly in the wind. So if you are like in the wind, like it's too much windy, it will not work properly. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.